If you're looking for a professional, trustworthy paving and landscaping company, then look no further than Powell Paving Ltd. We are a local family-run business with over 25 years' experience designing and installing stunning driveways and patios throughout Hampshire. Whether your preference is for block paving, tarmac, resin-bound or Indian sandstone, we have the perfect solution for your new driveway or patio. We can also repair, restore and professionally clean existing paving to bring it back to life. Our garden landscaping services include fencing, brickwork, turfing and other small building works. We are proud to be vetted and accepted as members of Checkatrade, and we have many positive online reviews. Our work is fully guaranteed and we have public liability insurance of £2 million. We do not require a deposit before we start work, and our customers only pay once they're 100% satisfied. Based in Romsey, we provide our services in Southampton, Portsmouth, Basingstoke, Bournemouth and the surrounding areas. For a free quotation and site visit, or just some friendly advice, contact Powell Paving Ltd today.